Getting his brain extracted. Moldy tofu or something. Hello again. Wow. There's a guy cracking a bullwhip over there. Just walking down a random street. They have dogs, cats, hamsters, rabbits, pigeons. Have a look. Oh, here's the fish. It's pretty normal. Look at that. You can choose your own fish. Look. Big fish, small fish, turtles. Well, look at these places. They have shops with just fish tanks inside. Look at that. We saw pigeons. We're going back now, so you can see. Got birds. A lot of these little budgies here, they clip the wings so they can't fly away. Then they don't need a lid on them. Oh, those parrots need some heat though. They have temperature things. Hello, little things there. Wow. Yeah, fish absolutely everywhere. I got the guineas. They're pretty cold, so they group together. Here, look, there's no lids here. Yeah, China, wow. Got rabbits. Yeah, more budgies here. Okay. Oh, look at the Syrian hamsters there. Right now it's probably 5 degrees out. It's pretty cold. It's pretty rare I wear a hoodie. I always wear shorts though. It is cold, so that's why they're all like huddling together to try and stay warm. Yeah, look, there's just end-to-end fish, and this whole street here, all the way along the other side as well. Fish, pets, animals, seed, birds. There's a load of birds here too. Oh, here's the pigeons. Yeah. I hear a cat. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy. Oh, look at that. It's like the Andrex dog. Pigeons. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, right now I'm just looking for a supermarket. We've got quail, like quail and quail eggs. Alright, here's my friend again. Hello again. Hello. Oh, I hope someone adopts you. He was trying to leverage me to get out. He was pressing his head against my abdomen, and he was trying to get over the cage. Weren't you? You're trouble. You're trouble. You're trouble. Okay, be good. Be good. Be good. Be good. I wish I could take you back, but there's no way I can get a dog from China back to Europe. That would be insane. All right. Oh, mangosteens. Okay, I think we found the supermarket. What an adventure. So if you deny the hotel room cleaning, you get a little coupon for 10 yuan, which is around $1.40, and you can spend it at a random ass shop in the middle of nowhere. Our hotel is way over there, and we can we can spend it on pretty much anything. So that's what we're gonna do now. Check it out today. What I was talking about before. So here's the river. It's a random river, by the way. It's not a park or anything. Got some sort of Tai Chi Wing Chun there. We have a lot more, and a bit more. It's more of a dance, that one. And yeah, goes all the way along the river. How crazy is that? Wow. It's really nice when people actually use the public spaces. If I tried to do that in the UK, Europe, America, people would probably laugh. I'd get stones probably thrown at me, depending on the time of the day. It's nice you can actually enjoy your own city. You know, you're paying tax for that area. It makes sense to enjoy it, right? But crazy, different culture. There's a guy cracking a bullwhip over there. What is going on? China's not for beginners. I just found this building here. Well, all the buildings. Almost looks like it's gonna fall down. Maybe it's fine. Who knows? All right. Wow.
The socials.
Okay. Oh, Paddy Pimlet is getting ready.
See, this is the J not.
We're doing some
there are
Jägermeister in China. Look at this.
And he just feels.
Yeah. Oh, we got more teasers. So we're up on the roof right now. There's a cool little rooftop area. They got like little tables and things. Huge random sign up here. But yeah, look at this. Look, seating all the way along. You can look down on Chengdu. Look at that. Wow, the bustling city. The bustling city of Chengdu. Yeah, so I had a little look over here earlier. There's something a little interesting. What I like about the culture here, they don't waste any space, any usage. Some people may say it's a rooftop area for hip guests and things like that, but it has a dual purpose. It's almost like an allotment slash well, you'll see in a second. So, some plants and things. There it is. Look at this. Making some jerky. Oh, you gotta love it. Wow. And yeah, there's the main river running through the city. A lot of construction. That's pretty cool, isn't it? All right. Wow. What's going on? I don't know, but let's check this out. Check this out, look. Not that. That. What's going on? Everyone's lying down getting their ears cleaned. Yeah, check this out. I was wondering what it was, but it looks like moldy tofu or something. I don't know how to eat it, how it works, but I assume you won't get sick from it. What is going on? Oh look, I thought it was chicken, but that's a head. I don't know if you can see the head. Lots of heads. Wow, disco China. I think air cleaning is pretty popular here. Check it out. He's getting his brain extracted. Okay, we're trying something interesting here. Check this out. They have special cheese, spicy, and spices. Well, he's making them right now. Look at this. Looks like he has mincemeat in there, lettuce. Is that tofu? I don't know what that is. Some spices. And then he rolls it up, and then it will look like that. I'm not sure how they came to be. And well, here's the finished product. Look at this. We're having a traditional Chinese meal again. Taking a photo of every single dish. He's rotating it and taking a picture of each one. I can hardly talk, I'm taking a video. Check this out. Wow. It's a feast, isn't it? Let's see what we have then.
Happy
We got
birthday.
that one.
Happy
We have mushrooms. We have pork. We have, I don't know what that is, but it looks very nice. Chicken broth with something. Spicy. I don't, oh, that looks nice. What do you think? Wow, look at this.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we're in Chengdu main square at night time. Check it out. Look how clean it is. Look how clean and colourful Chengdu main city centre is. Look at that. Oh, look at this garden as well. Some old person would really love this garden. Wow, so nice, so quiet, peaceful. No drunken people, no homeless people. What's going on? Unbelievable. Wow. Can't believe it. I feel like a caveman. Okay, we have some weird Chinese random drink here. It's 56%. It smells like tequila mixed with vodka. With an aftertaste of sausage. Sabe de salchicha.